product. Java is one of our NetWeaver products here. So Java systems, all Java systems are NetWeaver products here. NetWeaver product. NetWeaver product means NetWeaver above stack means all users will log in from SAP logon pad. SAP logon pad, they will log in, right? For the SAP Java systems means NetWeaver Java systems means they will log in from browsers which is there in your desktop. Through browsers we have to log in. Through browsers we have to log in here. So from browser we will log into the Java systems. We will do the work from there, right? So how to log in Java systems from the browser? The installation is common for Java systems also here. Same for Java installation also, we require the same SWPM tool. We will use it here. SWPM is the tool. Then here, so kernel also same. And also for Java, we need to download the Java exports. Then so DB client, then SAP host agent. So these are the softwares. So Java exports and Java software components. Software component we required here. So here these things are required to perform the Java installation. Same as WPM tool, we will open it. Same as WPM, we can open it. From there, we can select the Java installation path. So same, let me go to the here softwares. You can see here in the SAP softwares, you can see the here Java software components here, then Java exports, kernel, SWPM tool, host agent, and JVM. So here the JVM also we required. SAP JVM sour file also required, and also SAP host agent. So JVM also we required. These are the softwares we required to perform the SAP Java installation. This Java is different, not the normal Java we are the programming. That Java is different, and this Java is different here. So in this Java, we have to do the installation with the SWPM tool. So what is the use case for the Java systems here? Normally in the portal, SAP portal, that is the one technology. SAP BPC, that is the one business process consolidation. SAP PIPO systems, then SAP ADS, Adobe Documentum Services. If you want to use this one, you can use it. Then SAP, so some other portal related, if anything you want to use it, we can use this Java systems, you can utilize it here. This Java systems, you can utilize it here. To perform this installation of the Java systems here, we have to same as how we will do the SAP installation with SWPM tool. Same way we need to log into the SAP INST and do the same way we have to log into the SAP INST and do the installations here. Do the SAP installation here. Okay. So do the SAP installation here. So that is what we need to do with the SAP INST here. Okay. So that is what we need to do here. Right. So SAP, so same, we need to click the SAP. Let me show you. So launch the SWPM tool. For Java minimum, so same as like here above systems, 8 GB and 250 GB storage space, and a minimum OS versions we should meet it here. So then database, any database we can install it. Normal same SAP, same for applicable for the Java also here. The additionally what we required is so Java exports, Java systems, and JVM, and we required the JVM and SAP software components we required here. Just to go to the administrator user, administrator or your own user, you can go it here. Just you can enter the password. So just give the inputs from there. Just give the inputs. So SAP NetWeaver 7.5. So then SQL Server Database installation. Here, instead of normally when we are doing the SAP installation, normally we will click the SAP Application Server above. Now here you can go with the Application Server Java. then standard installation, just click this button. Same application server above, standard, distributed and high availability. Same way here also we can do the Java server installation like standard, then distributed and high availability. Standard system installation means standard system, we can select it. So then just provide the inputs, give the separate SID, right? Give the separate SID for the Java systems. ABAP SID, Java SID should be different. Per host, only one SID should be should be different here. We have to provide the Java SID, instance number, passwords, then kernel path, JVM, SAP host agent, all those things we have to provide it here. Then Java system will be installed. Once the Java installed, same for SWPM tool, same double two four 4237, same log files SAP NST, same kind of SAP installation only what we have done it in the normal in the uptime of above systems. Same kind of systems only we have to do it. So you can see here the content has been tampered. So here we got the SWPM error here. Manager failed details. The content has been tampered, which means so multiple SAP installations we have done it right. So that's why this content has been tampered. So which means we should not use this SWPM. So this SWPM. Why? Because this is tampered by multiple installation, multiple process. This is tampered. So we should not use this one here. So what we have to do, we need to download the new SWPM tool. So we have to use it here. That is what we have to do it here. So this SWPM tool is, we have to delete it. It does not require. So because this content has been tampered, so it's not required. Again, we need to download the fresh. Okay, let me download from the other host. So here we have the one SWPM host. Let me copy. Because multiple times we used the same SWPM, right? So that's why we got this error here. So what I am doing here, I am just sharing this one to the our main host, copying from the software location SWPM, copy it, drive, copy softwares, SWPM, then paste it. Okay, that is getting copied. Where we have already running the SWPM, that one I am just copying to the here. It's done. Okay, so now open the SWPM, just SAP NST again. It will start the again installation. Always when we are using the any SAP installation, we have to use the fresh, the latest version of the SWPM tool from the service marketplace. So that what the one of the most important thing we should remember here. Same NetWeaver 7.5, SQL Server, then installation, application server Java, standard and standard system. So here in the middle, I stopped, right? In the middle of the issue, we got it. When we were running in some steps, we got the some issue from there. From that time, what we have done it, so we have stopped and we have copied the sum tool. Again, we have executed. But in the sum tool, we have the one option. Normally, we know like we can continue with the existing run. It will continue from where it got stopped, or we can choose the fresh option also here. Let's see, continue with the existing run. Continue with the existing run here. So let's see whether it will continue or it will give the any errors here. So here you no need to install it. Why? Because we have already one Java system is there here. So everybody we can utilize that Java system which I installed for the morning batch. We can utilize that SAP Java system. But now I am showing the steps how to install it. So just a similar kind of installation, same as WPM tool, similar kind of installations only. Just instead of application server above, we are doing the application server Java here we are doing here. So here let me retry whether it will work or not. Why? Because that is in the another SWPM tool. So this is not the correct one here. So we need to take the new option actually. We have to take the new option. Why? Because that we have executed from the other SWPM tool. That one we deleted. Now we are running with the new SWPM tool. So definitely it won't work. So now let me go to here. We can take the new option here so that so it will start from fresh again. Starting of the screen, it will take it out. Same as WPM screen. So NetWeaver 7.5, SQL Server, installations, application server Java, same standard installation, standard system. Here again, it will ask the, do you want to continue with the new option? Yes, I want to continue with the existing run, or you want to choose the new option. Then it will take you to the, so next script, the starting onwards, which we starting with the, this SWPM tool, not the old SWPM tool. So this time it will work. It's defining the parameters. This is the late with the SWPM tool. Slowly it will progress the all the installations and everything. it will validate it, it will take you to the all the steps and everything. Okay, so the next step, typical. Same SAP inst.log file. So you any SAP installation, you don't need to worry about that one. Only thing is the exports may change it. Either it is ABAP system installation or Java system installation, the exports may different. That's it. So remaining all the our SAP SWPM, the steps, common port number, common installation log, it's common steps. Only the exports will be the different. Remaining all steps are common. Okay, that's what you need to remember that word. So these Java systems are not like that ABAP systems. For ABAP systems, we will log in with from SAP login pad and we will do the work, right? But for Java systems is not like that here. For Java systems, we need to use the browsers. So you will get upcoming classes, you will get how to log in and how to use it here. Now it is asking the JVM, right? So go to the softwares, just give the SAP softwares JVM file, you can select it, you can click on the next button here. For Java, JVM is required here. Okay, so JVM file, it got read, just click on the next button. SAP GUI, installation, we know, right? You know already GUI installation. So that we want to do. For JVM means Java Virtual Machine. In this JVM, all the programs of the Java and applications will compile in this one. So that's why this JVM is very important for Java systems here. So here, so it is asking the Java component location here, right? So OS INDEPUT. So here we need to check the where is Java software components. INDEP. Java export location. Just give this location. Why? Because it is asking that path folder. So just give that location. That's it. Then it will read the all those things. Meanwhile, These the components are given. The NST. So it is checking, see here, it is reading the all the files. So as I mentioned previously also, SWPM tool, it won't blindly accept the all the files and everything. It will clearly verify the all the files and folders. It will verify. So then only it will take into the account. So then only it will successfully will install the all the softwares and everything. Oh, it's very funny. There are a lot of uh, multiple files are there here. So that's why it's reading each and every file. You can see it here in this inside of the folder. These all are the Java components. These all are the Java components here, which will come as part of the exports. So it is reading all the files. It is reading one by one, it is reading. So then if everything is correct only, then it will take into the next screen. Otherwise, it will not take into the next screen. That is the one thing here for the Java systems. Not only Java, any SAP installation, it will clearly read the all the files. So right then what it is asking once the oh yeah, here in the Java, what is the product you are going to be installed for Java for NetWeaver 7.5 version? What are the product you are going to install? The Adobe, you are going to install the BI Java, BPM, so scheduling tool, EP portal systems or PDF. So what you are going to do installations here, right? So based upon the your EP core, suppose like you are going to install the enterprise portal. Normally in the ATM front-end missions, they will use this enterprise portals. ADS, Adobe Documentation Services, PDF forms and everything, they will use this one here. So, which for Java, NetWeaver 7.5 Java will support all. If you want to use these functionalities, Java systems are required. SAP NetWeaver Java systems are required. On top of that one, we need to install the what is the product you are going to be installed. So, respect to product, you need to select it. Just click on the next button here. If you are going to the PIPO, then PIPO product will come into that place here. So application server Java. So a portal, then portal will come. So respect to options, we need to choose it. So then we have to make it next step here. So SID for Java systems, it is asking the SID also here, right? Same as like above for Java also SID. So what I'm doing here, so NetWeaver Java development system or quality system or production system, whatever you want to put, you can put that system name here, SID here, right? Same SID you can install it here. So Java use cases are multiple, either portal, either ADS or PIPO. For anything you could require the Java are required here. Just click on the installation here and check the domain. Now it is asking the different folder here. Java J2W OS INDEP. OS INDEP. Yeah, OS INDEP. This folder path it is asking. Then select it, give this location, click on the next button. Right? So password for all users here. So then same password here also default users will be created. So default user same SAP level how we have the default user. Same way here also the default users will be created here as well here. But here work process will not be created for Java systems means here. So I will tell you for Java components here. So for ABAP, we have the ABAP and so we have the for ABAP systems, we have the ASCS, then application server will create. For Java systems also we have the so SCS, that is called the Java SCS, then primary application server will be created. So here application server ABAP and Java differences is application server ASCS means message server, enqueue server, right? Primary application server means the remaining 5 work process, right? D, V, B, G, S, right? For Java systems also here message server, enqueue server, then primary application server like here ICM and server 0 nodes you will get ICM and server 0 node you will get it out from here. Server 0 node you will get from here, right? So then, so it is asking the DB. So SID, same SID you want to install S, same SID. So kernel path it is asking, then go to the software's location here, right? E drive. So we have SAP softwares. Here we have the then kernel just select the kernels here, just click on the next button. Same to same, only for Java exports may ask it, that's it. So just if you download the all the softwares correctly, then we can give the inputs correctly for all those things. Yeah, this installation may take time. So nowadays, if you observing or not, if you do the previous installation for each SAP product installation so may take 10 plus hours, 10, 12 hours, 13 hours like this previously when I started my journey in the SAP. Nowadays, within 4 hours, they have within 4 hours, 5 to like this 4 to 6 hours in between installation is getting completed because of so they have minimized this installation efforts. Many things they have minimized, so that's why it's very less nowadays. Previously, if you do the installation in evening, if you put it out by the morning, the installation will be completed. That time it will show like so 90%, 100% it will come in 2011, 10 that time. So now see here how much fast now installation. The whole thing is processing the taking the inputs, processing, that is only some delay. So remaining all inputs are very fast, installation and everything. If anyone asks what is the version of the SWPM tool means, you can tell like, so it's like SWPM 1.0. Okay, SWPM 1.0. For all Java systems, SWPM 1.0, we have to use it. Above systems also up to NetWeaver 7.50, we can use the, so this one. Oh my God, how much time it is taking. What is differing here? Kernels, right? Oh, kernels, that's fine. That's why you no need to do the for Java installation. It's already there, so it's not mandatory you to do it. But thing is, you need to take the difference here. For Java also, you will get the SES and primary application server. ABAP, how we got it. Java also you got it. But ABAP, we will log in from SAP GUI. From here, we have to use the browsers. That's it. So then after that, once we log into the browser, so we have to do the some administration activities. You should remember those things will discuss. So SWPM screen. So kernel, it's taken. Just click on the next button. Defining parameters. Okay, it is the prerequisite checker tool. It's a tool to check the some of the swap, language, all those things. But we can skip it out by clicking the no new option. We can check the that prerequisites. It's not mandatory. We can check it out. Now it is asking the host agent. We can uncheck the host agent as well. So here, what is asking here? Java J2EE inst folder here. J2EE inst folder here. This is the one. So it is asking this folder. Just to provide the location of this folder. These all are the Java exports only. But here, one by one, it will ask it here. For above, one export folder, that is fine. Here, one by one, it is asking. Now, JDMP, where is JDMP? This is the one. So this exports we have to provide to the here. For same prerequisites for Java systems also, operating system, database, required softwares, minimum RAM memory, capacity, the OS should meet the minimum patch levels, all those things which should be required. So we have the four small systems, four data files are data files means when we are doing the SAP installation, it will create the data files, data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4, like this. For above systems also, it will create it. So that's the reason it is asking the data files location, how much and all those things it is asking. So then with a small system, so then 4 is enough for the small system. Then I chosen the 4. So now instance numbers. What is the instance number you want to choose? 4 and 6 or 10 and 11 or 40, 41 or 50, 51. Whatever you want to choose it, you can choose it. Right? If you want to change instance number, we know, right? What is instance number? What is SID? What is application server? Means where we will install the SAP application, that is called the application server. Just 1 minute. Let me. So here, unique code. Yeah, definitely it's unique code only. So no SLD here. J2EE SAP INST. See here how much time it is taking for each and everything here. I think it's done. We are getting the summary screen now. So see here, by checking this log, I can say we got the summary screen now. Review parameter section, typical. So all the JVM, what is the Java product? On top of the job, what you are going to install it, all those things you got it now, right? All those things we got it now. So here, see here. So this is what which is going to be installed here in our system. This is what the inputs we selected here. This is what the inputs we selected here, right? So then if we click on the next button here, so choose here, it is going to the execute service. Then it will start the installing the your Java system and everything here. So it's the same procedure, whatever we followed for the above, same procedure for the Java system also here. Same procedure for the Java system also here. So then once it is installed, Java system is installed, same as like same normally we done the multiple above system installations and everything, right? Same way here Java you will get, right? Java system you will get same way here. So same way you will get the Java systems. Once you've done it here in the MMC, once the installation and everything is completed, in the MMC screen, SAP MMC screen, you will see the Java system here, Java system, one Java system here. Here we have given like JVI, Java. So like that we have given here. So same way, just right click and just start it. For Java systems also, it's a similar procedure to start it here. For Java systems also, it's a similar procedure to start it here. So once the installation done, new SID will be created here. In the new SID also you will get the one ASCS, one SCS Java Central Systems, then one, so this one you will get it out here, right? One, you will get all those things here. So here you can see Java, so one this one, and so new SCS also we will get it out. So maybe some kernels are missed, I guess, that we need to update it. So after the installation, new SID, same as like here, you will get it out. For ABAP systems, you will get the ABAP work process table, right? For Java systems, you will get the Java process table here. For Java systems, you will get the Java process table, Java components, all those things you will get. It will be Java system. So this way we can tell like it's a Java system. ABAP system, ABAP work process table, and you will get the dispatchers and IGS, all those things you will get. For Java systems, you will not, you will see, for Java systems, you will see the Java work process table, ICM, server 0 process, you will get from the Java systems, right? So this is the way you will get it out here. So now let me start the Java stack systems here. So I think there is a problem with the Java. So it's not like that coding, it's a Java systems. Yes, sir. SAP, SID, yes, yes. There is a kernel issue, I guess, this one here. Let me copy to JVI, SES, EXE. Due to some binaries missing issue, the current Java system which is installed on this machine, it is not working. So what I am doing, I am copying the kernels to in this location here. For above stack, while it is copying, for above stack, so here the users are will be created, right? So for the voice level users, SAP ADM, same as like here SAD ADM, Same as like Java ABAP SID EDM users will be created. For ABAP stack systems, for ABAP level, we have the SAP star and DDIC users will be created. For Java systems here, the users like here the administrator user, and the J2W underscore admin. So these users will be created for the Java level administration task here. For Java level administration tasks, so these are the users will be created. These are the users will be created here. So it's already open in another program where it is open. It is the JVI. The NQ server. So some process already opened here. So that is the reason. So you can see the gateway process. Oh, hundreds of gateway process are opened. So something wrong with the system. You can see. So GW, yeah, GW FND is wrong. That's why we have this Java issues here. We need to kill all this process. Oh my God. Normally only one process should be active at Java level. But here you can see there is a hundreds of process, Java process here. Hundreds of Java process are up. So that's why our Java system is not getting started. So I'm going to kill all the sessions manually here. So I'm going to kill all the sessions manually. You can see right click and end process T from the tool. If I do it for the ECD ECP, systems will be down, but Java systems are it's not starting. So because of there is a maybe kernel bug or something, it's not starting. So what I am doing, I'm going to kill all those process manually here. You can see it here. Chat. The number of process are there. Okay, only few more. Last one. Done. Okay. What happened again? Oh my God, message server related things. See here, different process ID here. All are the, oh my God. Oh my God, hundreds of process are there here again. Either we need to reboot the OS, or if you reboot the OS also, it won't cancel. So that's why I'm just manually canceling all this process here. Why? Because of this reason, what's happening here, the Java system is not getting started. So it will impact. So multiple Rogu process. That process is called the Rogu process normally. So see here, it's a different naming conventions here. So I'm just killing this one. Then only we can start the Java system and we can utilize it, all those things. But all we cannot select, I think. Multiple process IDs we cannot select at a time. Only one by one. Hmm. This type of issues comes, we are done. We are gone. The time is gone.
Sir, if I have kill all the work process, okay, master server. So how we can restart? Like a hello.
Yeah, manual restart. You killed all the process. Okay.
Mhm.
Then again, you can, if you restart it, again, new process ID will be generated. That time, so you can start it, right? Means, oh, what is your question, exact question? So you are killing the all the process, okay?
By mistake, I have deleted. I have killed all master servers. Okay.
Deleted
So
or create deleted.
kill it, kill.
Okay, you killed it, okay? Okay. By mistake, you have killed the all the process. Then now also we killed the all the process. Then what we can do, again, if you kill it out, the process will be available here, right? So then you can start. So you can start it, the services, you can start it, SAP start SRV process or whatever it may be, you can start it manually. So once you start it, then open the SWPM tool, SWPM, sorry, in the SAP MMC, you can open it. So in the MMC, normal start procedures here. If the server is stopped, we have to use the normal start and stop procedures. Like we go to the here, so right click, then start, right click and start it. So then your Java system will be started here. In case of in case of it is the above system, we can use it here. See here, now it is starting mode. Now it is starting all the process getting stopped started here. So gateway is not getting started. Yeah, so this way we have to start it here. So, but gateway also, let, let- let's see. Okay, I need to kind to do the kernel upgrade here, then it will start it. Because some kernel files are missed during the restart or somewhere. So that's the reason. So it's not going to start. What I will do, I will go to the JVI. This. exe uc NTADM. From other kernel to this kernel, I am stopping the, I am just moving the kernel files, just moving the kernel files from others to here. So from other server to kernel, right? So kernel we can move it. So I am moving the kernel to from others to here. I just moving here. So then we can perfectly everything will be copied here. Then we can do that one. So why I'm doing the copy means in other systems, so we have the, so systems are working, right? And other landscape systems, we have the systems are working, which means there is a some kernel issue here. There is a some kernel issue here. So what I am doing here, I am doing the kernel upgrade. So instead of copying again, doing all those things, what I am doing here, I just copying from the other systems, we have the kernels, right? So that kernels I am copying and pasting into the here in this JVI Java kernels. So here in the Java also we have the same activities. For Java also you will get the same activities we have to do it, but there is no client copies. Then for Java systems no client copies and everything. Why? Because there is no work process concept for Java level. Just only administration level activities we have to do it in the Java system level. That we will do it. Yeah. Yes, so once this is done, then now it will start. We can start the our Java. So once it is started, so then we can use the URL to open the Java system. So Java URL like it's like a same HTTP colon slash slash the host name colon port number Java port number Java instance number 00 slash. So that is the URL Java homepage URL. So what is the Java homepage URL means? You need to answer like HTTP colon slash slash host name Java instance number port number. So if it is the instance number 40, then Java 40. So instant Java 40 00. So like this, we have to answer it here. Right? Now it's copied. Let me start it here. Again, the services. Okay. So that is started. So now let's see whether now it will start it or it will give the messages here again. Okay. Why? Because all the folders we replaced with the kernels, not only one folder, all the folders here. So let's see here. Will give any errors. Now you see these are starting and that started. Previously, message server and NQ server started, gateway is down. Now gateway is up, remaining all are down. So might be there is a Rogu process again for Java. There is a Rogu process again. Message server and NQ server, okay. So again it's down. So what I will do. Okay, you can drop out. Okay, I will manually copy it. I will share the URL details so that you can start logging to the Java systems. So by tomorrow onwards, we can start the other administration.